In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube search history if it's not showing up. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right or top right corner, depending on your app version. Now, tap the Settings icon. Select Manage All History. This will open your Google Activity Controls page. Click on Not Saving Your YouTube History option. If you see that YouTube history is turned off, tap Turn On. Make sure the option Include Your YouTube Searches is checked. This allows YouTube to save both your watch history and your search history. After enabling it, go back to the YouTube app. Search for anything. Then tap the search bar again. Your recent searches should now appear in the search history. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube search history not showing on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.